So in this video we're gonna discuss about the Vivo X300, which is the true successor for the Vivo X200. This one will see a lot of features which will tell you in this video. So let's first start with the display. This mobile comes with a 6.31 inch cute smaller display, which is a pocket friendly mobile. And when it comes to this display, it comes with a LTPO AMOLED display, and it is going to be a 120Hz refresh rate supported, Dolby Vision supported display, and it is going to support HDR10+2. It was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass filters. When we talk about the processor, this mobile is coming with a MediaTek Dimensity 9500, which is a Qualcomm, which is a octa-core 5G processor. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in different variants like 8GB RAM 120, 8GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512, and one more variant, that is 12GB RAM 1TB internal storage variant. These are UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. When we talk about the Vivo X series mobiles, they are made for the cameras. According to the mobile series, this mobile is also coming with a huge camera setup at the rear side. It comes with 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the front also, it comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle selfie camera. We can shoot up to 8K 30fps with this mobile's back camera. When we talk about the battery, this mobile comes with a huge 6040 mAh of battery, and it is going to support 90 watts of fast charge through wire and 40 watts of wireless charge and reverse charge too. When we talk about this mobile's build quality, it's a complete glass and metal build. When we talk about this mobile's operating system, this is also a change in this mobile from this generation. iQOO and Vivo mobiles are going to come with the Origin OS 6, which has a lot of customization options. A lot of people are saying if we purchase the mobiles which cost around 70 to 1 lakh rupees in terms of Vivo X series, we're not getting that much of a software experience. So that's why Vivo has changed its game from FunTouch OS to the FunTouch operating system to the Origin operating system. This operating system is based on Android version 16 out of the box, yeah, you will get a lot of cool customization features with this mobile's operating system. And when we talk about this mobile's other features like multimedia, this comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, in-display fingerprint scanner, and metal body. And when we talk about this mobile's connectivity, it comes with almost 17 5G bands, and it comes with the latest features such as Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support, NFC, and it also comes with other sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. By the way, this mobile is not a waterproof mobile, so don't dip your or put your mobile in the water or splashy surface. So I felt that this mobile could have that one thing which is lacking, that is a water resistant supports, but yeah, it's the mobile. And when we talk about the box content, this mobile comes with a charger, cable, and also TPU case, and a simulator tool and quick start guides and stuff like that included in the box of this mobile. When we talk about this mobile's overall price quality, price, yeah, according to the news till now, that this mobile might come with the price tag of 65 to 72,000 rupees, in between that price range. So it's a base variant, not the pro variant, this is just normal X variant. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from my channel. Next.